Hi everyone, welcome to How Logical. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to change your name on MySpace account. Keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser. To begin, go to the address field at the top of the screen and type in www.myspace.com and press enter. In order to change your name on MySpace, make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the gear button. In the pop-up that appears at the top, click My Account. In the Account Settings page, right after you do that, under Basic Information, you'll be able to see a text field where it says Full Name. Simply erase the current name and type in the new name that you'd like to change to. After you're done, click on Save Changes, and that way you'll be able to change your name on MySpace. If you also want to change your username, simply go to the username text box, type in the new username that you'd like to use, and click on Save Changes one more time. That is how you'll be able to change your name on MySpace, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.